May is Wildfire Preparedness Month, and it's only a day away. The Missoula Rural Fire District is urging residents to prepare their homes for wildfire season. Some recommendations include clearing debris and gutters from around homes, making sure your lawn is hydrated, prune your trees to an appropriate length, and double check that flammable materials are stored away from any nearby structures. You should also create a detailed evacuation plan, including 2 ways out of your neighborhood and a designated meeting place. Monitor wildfire updates from InsaWeb and be prepared to evacuate swiftly with a supply kit ready.